Okay, let's just get right into it. The world of affiliate marketing. It's moving so fast, it's almost dizzying. I mean, the playbook that worked last year, it's basically ancient history now. So today, we're going to break down the new rules, the AI-driven strategies that are defining success right now and are going to be absolutely essential by 2026. So this is the big one, right? The question I bet is on your mind. You look around, you see just how crowded it is, all the noise, and you can't help but wonder, have I missed the boat? Is it just too saturated to even get started in 2026? Is there any room left to actually make a real impact, and more importantly, a real income? Well, the answer is a huge, resounding no. But, and this is a big but, there's a catch. The game isn't over. Not by a long shot. The rules have just been completely rewritten. And the new master key to unlocking it all? Yep, it's artificial intelligence. So let's dive into our first section, AI, your new co-pilot. Look, the whole foundation of this new playbook is actually pretty simple. It's not just you against the world anymore, it's you plus an AI. And that partnership, it creates a level of output and efficiency that was, frankly, science fiction just a couple of years ago. And this brings us to the core concept we need to understand. AI leverage. So what does that actually mean? It just means using these incredible tools to do all the heavy lifting for you. We're talking about automating content, scaling up your marketing, refining your strategy, all the stuff that used to take forever. It's the ultimate work smarter, not harder mantra, letting you achieve a scale that was just impossible for one person to do on their own. Okay, enough theory. Let's get practical with Section 2, the content creation engine. Because right now, the single most powerful way you can use AI is to turn it into your own personal, nonstop content machine. And trust me, this is where the game really starts to change. And this slide just lays it all out, doesn't it? The difference is, well, it's night and day. The old way was this slow, painful, expensive grind. The new way, the AI-powered way, it's all about speed and scale. It's cheap, it's fast, and it's the engine behind this massive faceless content boom we're seeing everywhere. You can build a huge audience, a huge business, without ever having to show your face on camera. It's a total game changer. So you're probably wondering, okay, but how do I actually do it? It's simpler than you think. Here's the blueprint. Step 1, find a product that's already trending on places like TikTok Shop or Amazon. Step 2, get an AI to whip up a really compelling video script for it. Step 3, use one of those mind-blowing AI video tools, like Google's Val 3, to create all the visuals for you. And finally, Step 4, you just publish it with your affiliate links attached. That's it. This 4-step process is literally the engine running behind thousands of successful faceless accounts as we speak. All right, moving on to Section 3, the platform-specific playbook. Now, this is super important, so listen up. You can't just create one piece of AI content and spray it everywhere. That's a rookie mistake. What crushes it on one platform will be a total dud on another. To win in 2026, you absolutely need a tailored platform-specific strategy. And just look at how different these strategies are. It's not a one-size-fits-all approach at all. On Pinterest, it's all about visuals, using AI to generate those gorgeous scroll-stopping video pins. For TikTok, the smart players are using AI to predict a video's viral score before it even goes live. Think about that. And then you have Facebook, where it's a completely different game. It's about volume. We're talking about using AI to bulk create hundreds of posts in just a few minutes. See? Different platforms, different playbooks. Okay, so does this whole platform-specific thing actually work? Does it translate to real money? Well, let's take a look at a real-world result. That number you're seeing? That's what one creator made in affiliate income in one single month. So how did they do it? Here's the secret sauce. They didn't even promote a physical product. They promoted a service, Fiverr's Pinterest marketing services, to an audience that was already on Pinterest looking for help with, you guessed it, Pinterest marketing. It's genius, right? They found a super targeted audience and gave them the exact solution they needed on the platform where they were looking for it. And the key that tied it all together? They used AI to create all the pins. It's just a perfect example of matching the right strategy to the right platform. Now, viral videos are great, don't get me wrong, but they're just the beginning. The real money, the real stability is in thinking bigger. So for Section 4, we're talking about building your digital assets. This is what the top marketers are focused on, using AI to build things that make them money for years, not just for a week. And when I say build, the speed is just, it's mind-boggling. Get this.
People are now building professional, high-converting affiliate websites, a core digital asset, in as little as 8 minutes. 8 minutes using AI. And the best part? Absolutely no coding required. That's insane.
So what kind of assets are we talking about here? Well, first, affiliate websites in what we call evergreen niches. Think things like gift ideas, stuff people are searching for all year long. We're also talking about AI sales agents that live on your site, working for you 24/7, answering questions and guiding people to a sale. And of course, building up those super valuable email lists and creating a recognizable, faceless brand that becomes an asset in and of itself. These aren't just one-off campaigns, they're businesses. Okay, let's bring it all home. Section 5, the 2026 Marketers Toolkit. We're going to tie all these threads together into a new set of rules, a whole new mindset for how to approach this stuff.
All right, here they are, the 5 new rules for affiliate marketing. Rule number 1, your partner is an AI. Stop thinking of it as just a tool. It's your co-pilot. Rule number 2, you do not need to show your face. The faceless brand is here to stay. Rule 3, niche down. Go find those untapped markets where there's less competition. Use AI to do the digging for you. Rule 4, speak the language of the platform. No more generic content. And rule number 5, maybe the most important of all, build assets that outlast the trends. Think long term.
And this really brings us to the final and I think most important question to think about. When AI handles all the grunt work of creation, what's left for us? Where does human creativity even matter anymore? And the answer is, it shifts. Our job is no longer about the manual labor of making the content, it's about the strategy, the big ideas, the insight to spot those unique opportunities that an AI can't. The human role moves from being a creator to being a strategist. And that's the real playbook for 2026 and beyond.